Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In this quick guide, I will show you how to use Stream Link without a PC. If you want to stream and play your favorite games on your phone or TV but don't have your main computer with you, this tutorial will make it super simple. So Steam Link is designed to stream games from your PC to another device like a smartphone, tablet or smart TV. But without a PC, you can still use it by connecting to Steam Cloud Gaming or a friend's shared library using remote play together. So first install Steam Link apps on your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV. Go to your App Store, Google Play App Store, or your TV's App Store. Then search for Stream Link and download and install the apps. Then open the Steam Link apps. After installing, then instead of scanning for a PC or login using your Steam accounts, then if you have access to Steam Cloud Gaming like Steam Remote Play Anywhere or a friend sharing their library, those games will appear. For a better gaming experience, pair a Bluetooth controller like an Xbox, PlayStation, or Steam controller to your phone or TV. You can also use the skin touch controls, but controller gives you smooth gameplay. So controller you use the game gives you smoother gameplay and shows a game that supports cloud or remote play and launch it directly from the Steam Link app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, perfect, preferable Wi-Fi or high-speed mobile data for minimal lag. Then Smart Steam Deck, a portable console or third-party cloud gaming service like GeForce Now, which support your Steam library, and that's it. That's how you use Steam Link without a PC by logging into your Steam account using cloud or remote play and streaming games directly to your device. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.